Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 43 of Firm Guru series by MakeForms. I am Pratik, founder of MakeForms, and today we will see how we can connect our MakeForms account with the Zapier and then opening up a whole new world of applications to which you can send your data from MakeForms to those applications via Zapier. So we'll quickly start. We have our form created here for Zapier testing. Okay, and the first thing that we will do is we will connect our MakeForms account. It's very easy to do. So all you have to do is that you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom. Over here you will see apps. Now here you will add a new connection. You will search for MakeForms. Since I have already connected one of my accounts in the past, you can already see MakeForms. If not, what you can do is you can search for MakeForms. You will find it out. Click that, and as soon as you do that, there will be a pop-up coming up. So what you will do is you will click this link and you will be taken out to a link where you will get the API key and the user ID. So you will copy those values and you will paste it out in your pop-up window. So here we have the API key. I will copy this and paste it here. Here I have the user ID. I will copy this and I will paste it out here. And then I will click on yes, continue to make forms. So this way we have our make forms account successfully connected. And here you will see the connection. Okay, so it says that the new connection is added. I will go back to my apps and I will click back on make forms, and here you can see that we have our make forms coming up. Okay, cool. So we have our make forms account connected. Now you need to remember that this connection is to be different for different workspaces, because your Zapier is connected to your workspace and not the entire make forms account. So I hope that is clear. So now the next step that we have to do is that we have to create a zap out of it. So remember that whenever you are connecting MakeForms with Zapier, ensure that you have at least one response so that you can map your values correctly. So over here, we will click on trigger. Then first thing that we will see here is the MakeForms. So I will click that. And now the event will be new response, because MakeForms triggers the Zap only when you have a new response. Now I'll click on continue, and then in the trigger I will select the form. So here we have the Zapier form, for we have sample responses already collected. I will click on continue, and then it will test the trigger. Click that, and you will see that it will fetch out the responses that we already have. So we have these three responses. I will select any one of them and I will continue with the selected record. The next thing that we have to do is what will happen if there is an trigger coming in. The next action would be sending this message over to Slack. So I will click on Slack, and the action will be to send a channel message. I will click on continue. I already have my Slack account connected and selected. What I'll do is I will pick up the channel. Over here we have a Zapier test created already. In the message text you have an option to either send individual values, like say I want to say new lead received. Okay, and then over here I want to say name, and I select the name. Email, I select the email. So this way you can send individual values. If you don't want to do that and you want to send out the entire response, all you will do is you will select user response. So what it will do is that it will send out all the response, like all the field values to your Slack. I will click on continue, and now let's test out this step. Okay, so here you can see that we have this message coming in. So we have successfully connected our Zapier. So I will write Zapier test integration. Okay, and now what we'll do is that we will go ahead and publish this Zap. Okay, so now this Zap is published. So what we will do is that we will go ahead and we will submit. What I have also done is that I have activated mobile number verification for my mobile. So as soon as I click on submit, what will happen is that I will receive an OTP on my mobile number. So I will enter that OTP. Okay, and now we will go back to our Zapier, and over here we will run our Zap. What it will do is that it will look out for new responses, and as soon as it gets a new response, it will send the message to the Slack. So here you can see that we have received this particular lead. Now, what I want to do is that I want to go one step ahead and I want to send out leads, only those leads to my Slack that have their mobile numbers verified. So, to do that, what we will do is that we will use the flag and the Zapier if condition. So I will open up this Zapier. I will edit this Zap. And over here we have a plus. So I will add a new step. And over here we have something called as filter. So in the filters, what I will do is that I will select a field which is the phone verified. And if this phone verified field matches exactly matches the value as true, only in that particular case will we send our lead to Slack. So this is done. Now I will publish. I will write the version name as verifying mobile number, and I will publish this Zap. So what I will do now is I will refresh. I will create two leads in my. Let's do this. Mobile not verified. Okay, and for this particular case, we will not verify my mobile number, and I will just hard refresh this, and I would say verified mobile at makeforms.io. And for this particular thing, what we will do is that we will verify our mobile number to ensure that we kind of have only the verified leads. Okay, so the verification has been successful. I will go in and I will check my MakeForms account. And in that MakeForms account, we should have two leads, wherein the first one should be verified and the second one is not verified. So this is verified as false and this is verified as true. So now let's, since we have already published this Zap, what we will do is that we will quickly run this Zap. So now since we have two new leads, only one lead should be sent to our Slack channel. So it's looking out for new leads. It got two new responses. So now let's check out. So here you can see that we received only the verified mobile number. This one was the lead which I tested just now. And if you see, so the non-verified mobile number lead is not sent through Zapier. So this is how you guys can connect your MakeForms account to your Zapier account and do tons of things. So this week we are also going to look a little bit into the integrations, and mid this week we are going to check out our new form format, which is one at a time. And I'm sure that you are going to love the things that are coming out for you this week. So that's it, guys. Pratik here signing off from MakeForms. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. Take care.